Hey everybody, CD here with you. Today I'm going to show you how to do a rod wrap. If you remember a video or two ago, I cut about 4 inches out of a ripping lips, shortened it up because it was too damn long to fit me. I just matched where the two pieces come together. It was about 1 inch in there. I wrapped it full of this paracord. Well, I had that big chunk left over. I wrapped one of my old rods I've had for a long time, and this stuff feels so good. Absolutely love it. What do? Get on eBay, you pay, you order up a bunch of paracord. There's no shortage of colors, patterns, whatever you want. It's unbelievable. I just took solid colors. I got 100 foot, $10 shipped to my door, 10 cents a foot. There's better deals than that. There's worse deals than that. But hey, I found the colors I like. Boom, just give it to me. Just send it to me. 10 cents a foot. Very simple to wrap. I already got one of these done. As I told you the other day, if you saw it, when I usually find a rod I like, I buy 2 of them. I put the exact same reels on them. They are used for this. Sister rod, brother rod to that one. I'm going to show you how to wrap this right here. It'll be the same as this back here. It's just this is longer. This will take less time. The process is exactly the same. Okay, same thing as the last video I done. The paracord, the color, the outer sheath. I believe there's 7 of these strands inside. The stuff is rated at 550 pound tensile. We're going to pull out about that much. Not critical. Just a couple inches and cut it off. Come back a few feet. Start pulling. You're going to get that outer sheath back to full length normal. And we are to right there is where that inside was cut. So I got about 2.5 inches. Not overly critical of how much we have there. I'm going to go right on the front to where the reel seat screws up and down the front nut. This is already a wrapped rod. Comes from B&M that way. B&M. So everything that is got, everything that has that center cut out, we're going to start right where we go full diameter. Just get yourself a couple of wraps on there, and that's all it takes. And now you can really put the screws to it. We're going to stand on that. I'm going to back up here where I can see the camera, and the camera can see what I'm doing. And we're just going to keep massive pressure on there. Very simple to do. Watch what you're doing. It'll layer on there just like you need it to. You don't have any gaps in it. If you do, this one already being, you hold that with your thumb, it ain't going anywhere. This one already being wrapped, it would be hard, but if you're on the smooth or on your foam, you can just pack it together. But you want to keep your pattern looking straight. I'm going to wrap it right to the very end of the existing wrap. There we are. Where'd my scissors go? We're just going to go about another couple inches and give it a cut. And I got to go over a device. I'm going to get this in a device. We're going to put the camera over here and show you how I'm going to finish it. All right. I got it in the vise here. It's my third hand. If you got a buddy to help you do this, it's a lot easier. But if you got a vise, put something padded in there. Not real necessary, but don't tighten down too hard. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to pull out about that much. And we're going to cut it off. And we're about 2 inches, just like that. Okay, how are we going to get this back in? You can take, I got 50-pound Gorilla braid, I think I got this time. I had some other stuff I did the last one, and I had a lot of breakage. I couldn't keep the knot tied. This stuff is working pretty good. Just fold it over twice. That loop right there is what we're looking for. And take your masking tape that you got right there handy to go. And put some tape on there. That's going to hold that loop. When we start, continue the wrap. Okay, I got more wraps there than I need, because you don't need very many of these to hold this stuff in place when you're done. So I'm going to wrap up a couple more. We'll call that good. We're going to put our string down here, and we're going to continue the wrap. Finish the knot up. And we are at the end of the rainbow. Get rid of our tape. Get that through our loops. And snug her down tight. Okay, she's done right there. You need to go have lunch or something, have at it, and come back and finish this up anytime. We're not going to do that. We don't need to pull all 2 inches of this back. We got that much back through under there. We're going to be enough. I'd go fetch my scissors there. We're going to cut her down. There, we're just going to pull that much through. Gonna need something. Whoa, almost dropped it. That's actually the piece I cut out of that rod the other day. And this could come easy. Sometimes it comes very hard. Let me get back here. Yeah, that came very easy actually. Right, there's the finished up knot. You got this little bit hanging there, and this thing is so solid. It is rock hard. It's like wood. Very, very, very solid. Take my scissors one more time, trim up this excess. Got that little bit right there. Everybody knows the trick. Melt her down. That is 100% permanent, never coming off. Turn around, do the same thing down here. You got a finished rod custom wrap. Make it any color you want, any kind of combination. There's people that do patterns, get really elaborate with it. I'm not too much in that, not today anyway. Maybe someday in the future. But anyway, that's how you wrap your cat rod, your walleye rod, any rod you want. Pretty them up, personalize them. But more important, I think the feel on them is really, really good. Thanks a lot, folks. You've been great.